Xiaomi and smart tech gadgets that will change the way you live in 2025, from next-gen home essentials to cutting-edge travel gear. We've got some game-changing finds that you won't want to miss. All the product links are in the video description below, so be sure to check them out.
Say goodbye to smelly shoes with the Xiaomi Sothing Loop Stretchable Shoe Dryer. This innovative device effectively dries and deodorizes your shoes, eliminating bacteria and unpleasant odors. Its flexible design adapts to various shoe sizes, ensuring a thorough drying process. With its quiet operation and energy-efficient performance, the Xiaomi Sothing Loop is the perfect solution for maintaining fresh and hygienic footwear. Looking to revolutionize your fitness routine? Meet the Xiaomi Mijia Smart Skipping Jump Rope, your ultimate workout companion. With its built-in digital counter, this smart rope tracks jumps, calories burned, and workout duration, helping you smash your fitness goals. Its adjustable length and comfortable ergonomic handles ensure a perfect fit for everyone. Say hello to the Xiaomi Mijia Handheld Portable Vacuum Cleaner. Perfect for your home and car, this lightweight and wireless cleaning machine delivers an impressive 13,000 PA cyclone suction power, making quick work of dirt, dust, and debris. Its ergonomic design ensures effortless handling, while the long-lasting battery keeps you going without interruptions. From quick touch-ups to deep cleans, the Mijia is your ultimate cleaning companion. Are you tired of scrubbing away at stubborn stains in your kitchen? Meet the Xiaomi Household Cleaning Brush's Electric Kitchen Brush. This powerful cleaning tool features an ergonomic design and multiple brush heads, making it perfect for tackling everything from greasy stovetops to dirty dishes. With its high-speed rotating bristles, you can cut your cleaning time in half while achieving a sparkling finish. Looking for a quick and effective way to deal with mosquitoes? Check out the Xiaomi Electric Mosquito Killer Swatter. This sleek and powerful device zaps mosquitoes instantly with a single swing, thanks to its high-voltage grid. It's rechargeable, lightweight, and safe to use indoors or outdoors. Whether you're enjoying a BBQ or relaxing at home, say goodbye to annoying mosquito bites. Xiaomi Duca Ataman Q2 Mini Electronic Ruler. This compact digital measuring tool combines a high-accuracy wheel tape measure with a sleek, portable design. Measure curves, straight lines, and irregular shapes with pinpoint precision, making it your ultimate go-to gadget. Lightweight yet powerful, the Q2 takes the hassle out of measuring. Looking for a powerful and precise trimmer? Check out the W-Mark NG-X1. This pro-level hair trimmer combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek design, making it perfect for barbers and DIY stylists alike. The NG-X1 features a high-speed motor for ultra-smooth cutting and adjustable blades that handle even the thickest hair effortlessly. Plus, its ergonomic grip and long-lasting battery give you comfort and control for hours of uninterrupted trimming. Looking for barista-quality espresso on the go? Meet the Wakako Minipresso GR2, your compact and lightweight espresso maker for wherever adventure takes you. With its innovative manual pump system, you can brew rich aromatic espresso without electricity or batteries. Just add your favorite ground coffee, pour hot water, and with a few pumps, you're enjoying a cafe-quality shot in seconds. Perfect for travelers, hikers, or anyone who craves a fresh espresso anytime, anywhere. Vitomin Jump 2200 Portable Power Station, your ultimate solution for reliable energy on the move. This solar-compatible generator packs a massive 2,200-watt capacity, perfect for home backup outdoor adventures. With its robust build, multiple charging ports, and solar panel support, the Vitomin Jump 2200 keeps your devices powered up and your worries down. The Turbojet Fan, your ultimate solution for powerful airflow. With its cutting-edge design and advanced turbo technology, this air blower delivers an astonishing amount of air with incredible efficiency. Whether you're drying off a car, clearing out your garage, or keeping your outdoor space dust-free, the Turbojet Fan tackles it all in no time. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for both home and professional use. Looking for a fast, safe, and effortless way to trim your nails? Meet the C-Magic Electric Automatic Nail Clippers Pro. This all-in-one tool makes nail care a breeze with its precision trimming, smooth edges, and easy-to-use design. No more worries about uneven cuts or nicks. Its automatic blades are gentle yet effective, perfect for all ages. Plus, it's rechargeable, portable, and mess-free thanks to the built-in nail catcher. Next up, we have the Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean Smart Toothbrush. Maintaining good hygiene is crucial no matter where you are, and this toothbrush takes your dental care to the next level. With its AI-powered smart sensor technology, this toothbrush guides you to a perfect clean every time, and the compact travel case makes it easy to bring along. It's like having a dentist in your backpack. Say hello to the Paigai 1 Mo Sling Bag, the perfect companion for traveler on the go. This versatile bag offers 7 liters to 11 liters expandable storage, fitting your camera lenses and accessories with ease. Its ergonomic crossbody design ensures all-day comfort, while the durable weather-resistant material protects your gear in any conditions. With quick access compartments and customizable dividers, you'll always have the right tool at your fingertips. Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5 with Bluetooth Calling You can take and make calls right from your wrist, staying connected on the go. Track your heart rate and monitor blood oxygen levels in real time for a healthier you. This smart sports watch features 5 ATM waterproofing, making it perfect for swimming and outdoor adventures with over 150 sports modes. It's your ultimate fitness partner. Are you tired of wrinkles ruining your outfits? Meet the Xiaomi Mijia Handheld Garment Steamer 2. This sleek portable steamer heats up in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for quick touch-ups at home or on the go. With its powerful steam output, it easily smooths out the toughest creases on all fabrics, from delicate silks to sturdy cottons. The ergonomic design and lightweight build ensure comfort while you steam away. Say hello to the Xiaomi Basius Magnetic Digital Timer, the perfect tool for precision and style. Whether you're timing your cooking, managing study sessions, or organizing your daily tasks, this sleek magnetic countdown clock is your go-to. With its manual rotary control setting, the time is a breeze, while the clear digital display keeps you on track. Its strong magnetic base sticks securely to your fridge or any metal surface, keeping it within easy reach. Looking for quick muscle relief on the go? Meet the Mukazi Massage Gun Portable Percussion Pistol Massager. This compact powerhouse offers deep tissue relief with customizable speed settings, making it perfect for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone dealing with sore muscles. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and designed for precision, helping to improve blood flow, reduce tension, and speed up recovery. The Bracy Electric Calf and Foot Massage Machine. After a long day, nothing beats a good massage, and this gadget brings a spa-quality massage right to your home. It uses a combination of vibration, shiatsu, and air compression to relieve tension in your feet and calves, helping with muscle recovery and circulation. Whether you're an athlete or just someone who spends long hours on your feet, this machine is a must-try. Stay hydrated and tech-savvy with the Tuya Bluetooth Smart Water Bottle. This innovative bottle tracks your water intake and syncs effortlessly with your smartphone through the Tuya app, giving you real-time updates and hydration reminders. Its sleek design includes a temperature display so you can enjoy your drink just the way you like it.
Which gadget was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next tech roundup.